very big problem for us. He couldn't train with us also in the pre-season. We have a lot of problems that we have to solve, but again, we can only control what I can control. Everything else is very difficult, and I can spend energy on it, but I don't get anything. So I will just do my best with my heart for this club, for the team, and I'm here to improve, to have success, and I will do my best in every way to improve the team and to get something and to win, of course.
يقول بأنه يعني حقيقة يعني مشكل كاسيس يعني المشكل الإداري اللي عنده أثر كثيرا، خاصة إنه ضيع تربص يعني في بداية الموسم. هو يتعامل مع جميع الظروف يعني في الوقت الراهن، ويقدم كل ما يستطيع يعني باش يكون